Is your child taking SAT in 2026? And is your child relying solely on AI-based systems for practice? Then please take this video as a short lesson rather than an advertisement. Make sure that your child watches this video because what I'm going to tell you is going to be very helpful for your child's preparation for the SAT. Now, if you look at the official statistics, for SAT math, the number of students falling in the band of 700 to 800 is just about 8%. If you look closely, for 750 and beyond, this will be less than 4%. Where is the challenge? And where is the mistake that most of the students are doing? The thing is, most students follow the same strategy and the same set of contents for practice, and that's not the best way to prepare for SAT. Now, the challenge in SAT is, especially in SAT math, is that every question has about 90 seconds to answer. But there are hard questions which take more than 2 minutes just to understand them. So, how do you solve this paradox? The solution is to save as much time as possible from the easy to moderate questions so that you can invest more time into the hard questions. And the hard questions are going to play the pivotal role in deciding whether you get past 750 or not. Now, how do you save time from the easy questions? Not with just repeated practice. You need to correct your approach to the questions. And that's exactly where we at STEM Tutors help our students. Every year, we take a very limited number of students to our tutoring programs. We do provide the support materials such as practice sets. We do provide real exam conditions training, but the soul of our program is human tutoring. Only a human being can understand why a student uses a wrong approach or an approach that's not the best for a particular set of questions. And then we try to explain the students the correct approach and make them practice similar questions on the basis of the correct approach. We start with the SAT diagnostic test. We understand where the student stands, we understand the weak areas and all. We sit with the student in a free 1 hour counseling, tell the students to decide the correct strategy for the preparation. When the classes actually start, what we do is not that we ask our students just to tell us the correct answer for the practice sessions. We ask the students to explain to us what approach the student has taken to answer a particular question, and then explain to the students what's the best strategy or what's the best approach for a particular set of questions. And that's exactly why we managed to get about 90% of our students getting above 750 and above. So, yeah, of course, I understand this requires a lot of investment in effort and time because we have to make sure that the child understands that it's not just getting to the correct answer that matters, but especially in SAT, it's how to get to the correct answer in the best possible way that takes least time while avoiding confusion and mistakes. And that's exactly where our tutoring program comes in. We only charge for the tutoring. We don't charge for any supporting materials. All of them become complimentary. So if you wish to give us a try, do send us a text. We'll take a diagnostic for free and then provide a free 1 hour counseling to help your child decide the best strategy that they should be using for their success in SAT 2026. So give us a try, send us a text, and we'll take care of the rest. Thank you.